Okay, in front of you is a pile of junk that I've got to make a reindeer out of it. So I've got my silky saw, which is brilliant. Some offcuts, which I was going to use for fire sticks, but now I'm going to make some legs with them. I think I've got 4 legs. I need a neck. That's the head just fell on the floor. This is the body. I'm just going to film it all and then I will just fast forward it. Hope you enjoy. I'll probably measure him what we want now. Okay. So weird.
Advice, don't you?
Yeah, confession, I've never made a reindeer before in my life.
You want me to hold the log?
No, it's fine. I'm gonna...
What do you mean?
Ooh,
You've hurt yourself already today.
The drill's smelling a bit.
Is it a bit wet?
No, burning it. It's quite a hard wood. That's alright, that's alright. Okay. Right. Let's shape a leg. Yeah, I think that shouldn't be far off a little bit. It goes in a bit further. Okay. Okay, I'll pause for a second and I'll show you what he looks like. That's one bandy. Yeah, it's he's eating grass. That's what it is. I can't. I want to ask for someone's opinion here, James. I think it's not Bambi, it's Bandy. Bandy the. Oh, whatever. Should probably make me make another one, but it's the first attempt. So right, neck and then head. Reverse. That should do. Right, now find a neck. Right, take the knot off of that. Told you it's going to be the fastest. Is that going to be right? I don't know if that's going to be right, you know. I'll give it a go. It's going to be the fastest, wonkiest, weirdest reindeer going. Probably burn it afterwards anyway. Will be a sacrificial reindeer for solstice. Right, let's have a look. Okay, I'm going to drill bandy. This bandy's old enough. I think the batteries are getting a bit knackered. Shouldn't have run out. Anyway. Change batteries. Whew. This'll be fun. Let's put it on. We'll have a look what it looks like. Right. So we need to rest him on something. So if you'd like to leave come on, it's only took me what, 12 minutes so far, is it? So what do you reckon to the reindeer? Hold on, pull you back. if any of you were laughing, you hadn't better be. Look at him, he's lovely. Right, antlers on the tail. That drill is blunt. You ever seen a dog with antlers? 2 seconds, guys, 2 seconds. Oh, sesame drills out. I can hear you laughing. Just found a dead stick. You lot, I can tell you, I know you're giggling. Right, let's finish him off. Hold on. I don't want any giggling. No one laughing. This is my reindeer. Oh my god. It's quite cute actually, look at that. Looks like it's squatting to go for a wee or something. Can you see that alright? It's a bit dark. Come on, that's not bad. How long has that took? I've got my glasses. What, 12 minutes, 13, 14 minutes? Let's have a look. I can't see. Oh, I dropped my glasses. Anyway. Oh, I dropped my glasses. There we go. So, if you'd like to like and subscribe, and I don't blame you if you don't want to, because, you know, it's not the best. But if you'd like to leave a comment, you're very welcome to, as long as it's nice. Okay. Oh my god. That must be the worst project. I've ever done in the shortest amount of time. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Take care, catch you in the next video. Cheers.